Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to fix the Google Chrome black screen. Keep watching to find out how. Oh, and there are some new fixes in this video, so don't think you've seen it all before. Okay, so you've got Google Chrome and you've opened it up and you've got a black screen, or you get periodically a black screen which flickers and then goes back to the original screen. Now mostly this is caused due to the way that Google Chrome uses hardware to render the pages. So there's going to be two definite sides to this. One is where it's flickering temporarily, or every now and then when you open up a new tab you get a black screen, then it goes back to normal. And also there is another version where you open Chrome and the entire window is black, including the buttons for minimize, full screen and close and all that kind of stuff. So do pay attention to which version it is and which problem you've got for how to fix it. So let's go over to the PC and we'll go through some of the potential fixes and we'll talk about some of the reasons why this actually happens. Okay, so let's go through one of the first problems. So the first thing is you're opening up Google Chrome, and in this case it's actually worked fine, but I was getting it so that this entire screen was completely black. So no access to any of this up here. All these buttons were completely blacked out, the whole screen was black. Even when it was minimized like this entire section was completely black, so there was nothing you could do whatsoever. So we're going to take a look at that in a little bit, but first of all we'll go through if you've got periodical flicking involved. So if for some reason you've got it so it flickers black when you open up a new tab, for instance, and it goes black here, then this is a good way to fix it. So what you can do is go up to the top on the three buttons, go to Settings, and then scroll all the way down, and two choices here. You can either go through to Advanced, which is probably the easiest way, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you've got the option to restore settings to their defaults, which is a really good one to do. That will actually get rid of all of your browser extensions and things like that. So it could be one of your browser extensions is causing corruption, or alternatively you can use this one here in System, use hardware acceleration when available. So basically Google Chrome uses the hardware in your graphics card to render the pages to speed things up. So if the problem is caused by a corrupted video driver or something like that, then you can just click on that and then that will turn off hardware acceleration. Once you've closed the window and reopened, you should find that you no longer get the black screens. So that's a nice, quick and easy, pretty much a bit of a dirty fix by disabling your hardware acceleration. Most modern PCs shouldn't find any real slowdowns when using this. Some older hardware may notice a slight decrease in speed on certain pages, especially ones which are media heavy. So we'll leave this on. So now for the second part of this. If you've got a completely black screen and you can't see anything, obviously you're not going to be able to click on this to see any of the settings or anything like that. So what you need to do is close down your Google Chrome and find your shortcut. So for me, you can use the shortcut on the taskbar. So if you find one of your Google Chrome shortcuts, for instance, like these, then you can right click on it. Where you've got Google Chrome, right click again, and you can choose Properties. So in the Properties, this is your target. This is basically what it's going to run. So what you can do is where it's got Google Chrome, applications chrome.exe, just get to there, press the space bar, then press the minus key twice, and then type in disable, then another minus, and then type GPU, and then hit apply. So essentially what you've told it to do now is when you open up the application by double clicking on it, you've told it to run chrome.exe, but to disable the GPU or disable the hardware acceleration. So this will allow you to then go into the program and open it up as you would normally. So that is a quick and dirty fix. Again, it's basically disabling a feature of Google Chrome, which you probably don't want to do. So the reason why you're getting the black screen is generally because of a graphical issue. So the simplest thing to do is to find out which graphics card you've got. Now, probably one of the easiest ways of doing that is to right click, and generally if you've got an NVIDIA, Intel or AMD graphics card, you should find something like this here, which has either AMD Radeon settings, Intel settings or NVIDIA control panel. So one of the ways you can do it, if you're using a Radeon card, is open up the Radeon settings and go to updates, and then check for updates and make sure you've got the latest version of the graphics driver. Alternately, if you don't have that, Then you can go into your Add Remove Programs, which is in Apps, and you can scroll down until you find your AMD software. You can then click on Uninstall. This will remove the AMD graphics driver. You can then reboot your system and then reinstall the graphics driver. Now, if this still is causing you problems, what you can do is you can completely clean all of your graphics card drivers out so you can start afresh. So in this case, I'm going to open Chrome, but you'll probably find it's going to be better if you type in Edge on the side and open up the Edge browser from Microsoft. And if you just type in DDU, which is the driver display driver uninstaller, and if you go to Guru 3D, you can then go ahead and you can download the latest version. So I'm not going to go through the entire process of display driver uninstaller, but basically you can download it and you can go through and remove all of your graphics drivers. This will remove them, completely scrub them from the system. You can then restart and then reinstall the correct graphics drivers for your machine. Obviously, like I said, there's Intel, AMD and Nvidia options for this and all kinds of graphics cards within those families. So this isn't going to be a video where I'm going to cover every single one, but this is certainly a good place to start should the other fixes not quite hit the spot for you. So there you go, there are some fixes for how to fix the Google Chrome black screen. Hopefully this video is useful for you. In fact, I have watched quite a few of the other videos on YouTube, and a lot of them say the same thing, that if you're getting the black screen or a flickering, just go into settings, go into advanced and all that kind of stuff. But if you've got the completely black screen on your Google Chrome, you can't see where settings are, so you're going to have to go around the long way and disable the GPU first. So hopefully this fixes your problems. If it does, great, leave a like on the video. If you're still getting problems, then don't forget, in the comments section below, type in your questions and we'll try and get back to you as quickly as possible. But in the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching. Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to fix the black screen in Google Chrome. Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to fix the black screen in Google Chrome. Oh, sake. Keep watching to find out how. Oh, and there are some new fixes in this video, so don't think you've seen it all before.